Santa Maria's Charm, a wellness center, and also a residential senior home health care, and the lying-in clinic here in Barangay Balasing, Santa Maria, Bulacan. We are inviting friends from the United States, Canada, and Europe to consider this place a retirement place where we have trained nurses, doctors, and of course, loving and dedicated caregivers to take care of you in your golden years. We have this beautiful pool for you, and those buildings around are under renovation. We will make sure that you will enjoy your stay here. And of course, you can see the beautiful landscape here in Santa Maria's Charm, or the Center for Holistic, Alternative, and Restorative Medicine. Welcome to the Philippines. More fun in the Philippines.